Here's a KTM 500 2022 model with a front brake light harness that's not working correctly. So I know the rear brake light is working, and I'll show you. So we know the rear brake light is working, but I know the front brake light isn't working. So there's here's the front brake light harness. Okay, so this button here pushes into your front brake lever when it's activated, or deactivated I should say, and it connects down here to this harness point. And there's two little holes up under here. You just pry the harness out with a sharp knife or something similar. Okay. And to see that that's the front brake light harness that's not working, you start at the bike and you use a piece of wire to connect these 2 points down here, which activates like the light switch, and you'll see that the rear brake light then works. So we know it's the front brake light harness that's not working. And I'll give you the harness number because I found it difficult to find on some parts or websites. The number is 777 110 50000.